Hi everyone, I'm just going to show you how to use FileZilla real quick. Everybody in this course has a space on our New England Tech ICT server. In order to get there, you have to open up FileZilla. It looks like this. Just so you know, this is your desktop like folder navigation. If you click on a folder, it shows you what's in that folder down on the bottom left. On the top right are all the folders on the server, and on the bottom right are all of the files within the folder you click on. So in order to get onto your space, you go over to host up at the top here and you type ict.neit.edu, your username for Canvas, and then your password for Canvas. And then the port for this particular server is 2222. Hit quick connect. It's going to give you some pop-up. Just hit OK. And if it works, you'll see things pop up on the right hand side. So hopefully this works for me right now. There we go. So I have a lot of stuff in here. You might have stuff from previous courses, or you might just have this public HTML folder. I believe it's configured so that no matter what is in here, it will be able to be accessed online, but I usually put stuff in my public HTML server. So what you're going to need to do is create a folder in here by right-clicking and create a directory. Your directory is going to be called the GDS137, and within that folder, each level in this course or each assignment group you should probably make folders for. So my suggestion is that each level you have a folder for that, and then each assignment within the level I would actually also make folders for. If you do it that way, then you can always call your HTML file index.html. If you don't, you'll have to rename these every time. So it's just easier to make separate folders for everything. So I'm just going to show you real quick what I mean. So here's level 0. In here there's an HTML file, but realistically I should probably create a directory and call it level 0.1. Hit OK. I'm going to put that in there, and now it's in there. Okay. So once you've done that, in order to get the files up here, the easiest way to do it is to just drag them from your desktop, but you can also search over here on the left. Let's say I wanted to go to my desktop, for example. I could go into users, J, desktop, find the file or folder I want to upload and just drag it over. But I usually just drag them straight from the desktop right into here. When you do that, they will upload. Let me just put a picture in real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. I'll drag this over to here. There we go. It went in. Windows told me the transfer had finished. So we're good. Once it's up there, in order to access it, you open up a new tab in your browser and you type in ict.neit.edu. Then your username, mine is Jaguar, yours is probably your ID number. My stuff is in the public _HTML folder, and it's GDS137, and I have a level. Let's just check and see what that's called. Let me put these side by side for you so you can see them. Oh no, what did I just do? I have a lot of tabs open, sorry guys. Where are you? Right here. There we go. So this is level 0 right here. And then level 0.1. I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to bring this up, which is what your assignment should look like this week. You're going to copy that link. After you test it, you should always test all of your assignments in the browser first, make sure they work. copy this link, and then that's what you're going to submit on Canvas for each assignment. So if you have any questions about it, you can contact your instructor and ask them to walk you through, but hopefully this video takes care of all of the questions you have. So that's it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.